What's up everyone, Hardcore RC here again. Today we're bringing you an unboxing video. So I had to head up to my local model shop today to pick up my ECS for the 6S Kraton after that went up in smoke. Arrma have agreed to swap it warranty, so I went up to the model shop today to pick that up. And whilst I was in there I saw a car, they had some new stock in. So I thought, right, I want to add this to the fleet, so I bought it. I thought I'd bring it home and just share it with you guys and give you a quick unboxing. Before we get into that though, if you like what we're doing, please subscribe to us, give us a like, and turn on notifications. I've noticed that a lot of the videos being viewed at the moment, people aren't subscribed. We'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers if possible. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for the 200 subscriber count because I think we're about 174 now. So the last couple of weeks it's grown nicely, and thank you to everybody that has subscribed. Really appreciate it. But looking forward to the journey. Hopefully my content is getting better. I'm trying to improve things, do things slightly differently, and hopefully getting a bit more confident in front of the camera as well. So anyway, let's get on with this unboxing. So here we have it guys. I went for the Arrma Senton 3S. Got a few 3S models already. We've got the Arrma Granite and we've got the Arma Typhon in 3S. So this is on the same platform. We'll go over it briefly before we open the box. I'm quite interested in the Mojave, but you know, that's double the price of this. So before I go into a desert style truck, I thought I'd get the Senton and see how it handles and how it behaves. You know, we've got Kratons, we've got Notoriouses, we've got the Infraction, we've got the Limitless. So this is just a slightly different truck. It handles slightly differently, so I thought let's give it a go. So this is it, you know, the Arrma Senton 1/10 scale brushless short course truck, 4x4 3S. It's rated to do 50 miles an hour out of the box. Obviously we will be putting that to the test. We'll put the GPS on it and see how it goes on 3S. It's the usual 3S information on this. You know, it's an easy access power module. It's running the 51mm spur gear. The gears on this are all plastic. However, I've not had a problem with any of the other 3S lines we've had. It does come with a Spectrum SCX2 radio, which is not that good, I'll be honest with you, but we'll be swapping it out. I'm not sure whether we're going to run this on the Flysky Noble or possibly the Flysky GT3Cs that we have. I may even put it on the Dumbo, but we'll see. And it comes with the IC5 connectors, which also work with the EC5s. And with the other 3S lines, you know, they are very easy to work on. Arrma have designed them very well, so they're fairly easy to access. The power module comes out, I think there's one screw that you undo, take out the centre drive shaft, and you can slide it out. You can see one of my other videos to see how to do that. Easy access power module, again very easy to take the ESC and or get to the receiver box. And then finally easy access diff. So front and rear diffs are again very easy to access. Remove 4 screws from underneath, they lift up. And then you can slide them in and out very easily, so they're very easy to get to and work on. Okay, so let's get in and open it up. There we have it guys, looking very nice, brand new. So this is what we get in the box. We obviously get the car, we get a bag with some stickers and some tools in it, and a instruction manual, so don't need that at the moment. We also get the SCX2 controller. I'm not going to get this all the way out because we won't be using that anyway. So let's peel this off and we'll put underneath. Nice bright green. It certainly is in your face, that's for sure. Looks great though, I love it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back. it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
Okay, let's get her open. Okay, there we have it. That's the inside. As I said, very, very similar to the other 3S lineup. You've got your plastic dry shaft. This is a longer chassis, so it does come with the bearing situated in the middle. We've got the 3200 kV motor, the 100 amp ESC BLX 100 system, standard stock servo. That's likely to be changed because it probably will let go at some stage, they do give out. Smaller tyres like these, plenty of grip, quite a substantial bumper on the rear with the integrated wheelie bar. Comes with the obviously the plastic shocks, which we'll see how these ones go. Hopefully they won't leak like the earlier model 3S that we had. If they do, then obviously I'll either look to do the hot racing upgrade on these, and I'll put a link above to the video where I'm installing these on the Arrma Granite. Nice front bumper. Yep, all looks good. And here it is lined up next to the other 3S models we've got. We've got the Arma Typhon 3S. This one, the only thing we've really done to this is put the Proline Badland tyres on it. Obviously the new Senton and then our Arrma Granite. So they're all three on the 3S lineup. We'll just take the lids off and show you the insides. Okay guys, so that's the lids off. You can see obviously the Arrma Granite is the shorter wheelbase car. The Senton uses the longer wheelbase, which is exactly the same chassis as the Typhon 3S. The main difference is obviously the tyres. The Senton has these out guards on it. Apart from that, they're pretty much very similar. They drive differently because of the way they're set up with the different tyres, etc. But they are essentially almost the same truck. Obviously, the Typhon comes with a rear wing, and the Senton comes with a rear bumper and the built-in wheelie bar. But I thought I'd just show you that as a comparison. The wheelbase is the same. So these are almost identical trucks, but with some differences, and they do handle differently with the different tyres and different bodies on them. Which is why I went for it. But I do like the 3S lineup. I think they're almost bulletproof. They don't need a lot of upgrades. Bearings need replacing, ideally. There's also one of the things I'm going to have to do on this, just behind this bit here. The first thing I do is take the power module out. There's a little slot down there which I put some tape over. It just stops the dirt and the grit getting inside the power module and causing any damage to the gears. The other thing, and you can see probably on the Typhon, whether you can see that there's just a little bit of tape there where I've done it on that one. The other thing that I tend to do is, which I haven't done on this one, the other thing that I do, as you can see on the Granite, is I tape up, there's some holes underneath. I tend to take those up again. It stops any dirt, stones, etc. getting in and potentially jamming up on the steering servo. Because you get these holes here. I'd only tape them up so then you can take the tape off. If you need to undo the steering servo, you can just remove the tape. Okay guys, so that's a quick unboxing of the Arrma Senton. I will now get some batteries in it, we'll get the GPS on it, and we'll take it out for its first run and see how it goes. Right guys, we're about to go for our first maiden run with the new Arrma Senton. We'll get out to the park and see how she performs.
Right guys, got new driver, so expect it to break. It's not that bad. Does sound like Jack's Pro line. That was alright.
Right, okay guys, here we are, new location. We're running at 3S, running on the heavy duty batteries at the moment. We've just used up the power on the Rapid, so we'll just give it a run on this and see what top speed we get. So zero that out, hopefully you can see that, zeroed out. New driver today as well. Who's the driver today? It's not me. Callum's going to give it a drive.
Yeah.
Without crashing it?
Yeah, without crashing it into the tree again. Like I did my, like, what was it, second run of my Granite?
Something like that.
Yeah.
That tree over there. Got a wheelie.
Yeah,
A wheelie in the wet. Oh, roll over. Let's see what we got then. It's a bit wet today, guys. The weather's not great. It's getting a bit messy, but it is what it is.
43?
Can't see that. Is it 47?
43.
43. But that is in the wet, so we're having struggling to get the power down. But 43 miles an hour in the wet on the grass. We'll give it another run and see what it does. But I think that's probably what we're going to get. You can see the water pooling around inside the body. Look at that. Lovely. What's that charge anyway? Oh! I said new driver today, guys. Yep, new driver. Sorry for the driving today. That's what it did. If the GPS is still in there. It is still in there, soaking wet. 39 this time, guys. So yeah, so 43 stock in the wet on the grass. Oh guys, look at that, dirty. Oh, all this grass, it's so wet and horrible out here with fresh cut grass. I think we'll call it a day today. We're giving it a quick run, seeing what it will do, get it cleaned up before all this grass gets everywhere on it, and it's pooling water in the inside. And man, look at that. Oh, horrible. I know we play with these cars in any weather, but you know, this is new. So we're going to call it a day, guys. We're going to go and get McDonald's for lunch because we're hungry. So until the next one, if you want to see more of what we're doing, what do you have to do, Callum?
Hit the subscribe and like.
And turn on the notifications. Okay guys, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.